So we know that Elon Musk is going against a crypto hater and the US government. Today, he posted another tweet about it which basically lent a huge support for cryptos like Dogecoin. So there is a huge debate going on between Elon Musk and US Senator Elizabeth Warren, who is a famous crypto hater. So the thing is that Senator Warren is insisting on implementing a wealth tax and wants to start with the world's wealthiest man, Elon Musk. In fact, she has been purchasing Facebook ads in which she is criticizing Elon Musk for freeloading on normal working people's taxes. Additionally, she is requesting $10 donations to her campaign, stating that Elon Musk is afraid of her. And we know that Elon responded to this by calling Warren's message to Americans a profoundly messed up falsehood while accusing the senator of freeloading off normal taxpayers herself. He recently stated that he will pay the highest tax rate of any individual in US history this year, which will be over $11 billion, and this is why he has sold almost the same percentage of his Tesla stock to offset the expense. Moreover, Elon Musk seemed enraged at Warren, tweeting that the United States Senate and the Commonwealth of Massachusetts deserve someone better than Warren. Now it is important to note here that not only is Senator Warren attempting to leverage Elon Musk in order to pass her idea on a wealth tax, but she has also been vocal in her opposition to crypto. She has described crypto as untrustworthy, destructive, and dangerous. Moreover, she recently attacked stablecoins for allegedly helping decentralized finance, a sector she claims is rife with scams and offers no consumer protection. Meanwhile, Peter Schiff, the chief economist and strategist of Schiff Gold Asset Management Fund, also joined the conversation. He tweeted that Senator Warren is accusing Musk of what she is doing herself, and he referred to her as the true tax cheat. In addition, we are now seeing that Dogecoin developer Billy Marcus has joined the conversation with Elon Musk and highlighted the government's negative attitude towards Musk. He noted how Musk is going to pay the highest tax in the history of the country, but is still being criticized by some regulators like Senator Elizabeth Warren. In his tweet, Marcus also pointed out the $2.5 trillion spending plan would require the Fed to pay an additional $2.5 trillion. This is because the US inflation rate will keep on rising and reach new highs day after day. So the point is that both Elon Musk and the Dogecoin developer have criticized the US government's actions on calling the inflation transitionary. So the point of all this discussion is that Elon Musk is not only claiming himself to be a tax-paying citizen, he is also supporting cryptos here. As I said, Senator Warren is strictly against crypto space and wants them to be banned. Her stance is not good for cryptos since she is a senator and can impact the overall crypto regulatory process in the US. So Musk calling her out is proof that he is also supporting the crypto industry. Moreover, we know that Musk is a big supporter of Dogecoin, so this is a very important thing for Doge. And we know that Musk has already accepted Doge for buying Tesla merchandise. So Musk declaring war on the US senator is a major thing. It shows us that Musk doesn't want the senator to limit the growth of Dogecoin and the overall crypto market. Besides, we know that Musk is not going to stop his support for Doge. And since Musk is one of the most influential and powerful people in the world right now, I think this is going to benefit Doge in the long term. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So following a US Fed statement on inflation rates, Bitcoin appeared to be substantially more bullish just a few days ago. However, it was unable to rise above that level and began to lose value over time. Bitcoin has witnessed yet another dip in the last 24 hours, and it appears that Bitcoin is going to end the year while trading in the red. This is because after a month-long sell-off, Bitcoin's trading volume is low, and the market appears to be giving mixed signals right now. And despite the fact that Bitcoin is down again, the majority of the crypto community appears to feel that things aren't as bad as they appear and that a new all-time high will be reached soon. As per a recent Twitter poll from popular crypto trader Pentoshi, about 60% of those who voted feel that Bitcoin is on the verge of hitting a new all-time high, while the remaining 40% feel that Bitcoin will revisit the 29K low. And we are also seeing that both Bitcoin holders and miners are currently bullish. For example, Bitcoin miner earnings have increased again on 16 December, despite the fact that the Bitcoin miner unspent supply was only 500 BTC below its all-time high. Notably, miners have increased their Bitcoin holding significantly since March 2020, and the trend has been upward since November. Additionally, BTC, a liquid supply, has been one of the most compelling tales for Bitcoin in 2021 following the May wipeout. These holders were the first to resume stacking, and as of now, the illiquid supply is growing at a rate of 3.4x faster than token issuance. Overall, the supply side of the supply-demand equation seems to be rather stable for Bitcoin, as holders and miners remain in a phase of long-term accumulation. So the point is that amid the current downtrend of Bitcoin, the market outlook is generally looking good for it. But there is some bad news as well. For example, the governor of the Central Bank of Russia, Elvira Nabiullina, has recently escalated the FUD surrounding the state of crypto regulation in the country. She believes that cryptos are opaque and that they are frequently used for illegal operations or criminal activities, so she feels that Russia should not welcome investments in cryptos. In fact, she said that the central bank seeks to prevent the Russian financial infrastructure from using crypto transactions. So this is a major warning for the crypto sector that can turn out to be detrimental. However, it is highly likely that such a banning policy will not be implemented since some Russian politicians are endorsing the regulation of cryptos. Now there is another warning for Bitcoin. So Kraken's chief advisor Jesse Powell has recently predicted Bitcoin to go below 40K in 2022. He has urged investors to pay their healthcare and tuition expenses early and take on more US debt. Powell added that it would be a wise move to take on as much US dollar debt as possible since the interest rates will go negative and therefore investors should not hold their assets in dollars. While he talked about Bitcoin going below 40K, Powell urged investors to take advantage of the dip and look for long-term benefits. He even revealed that he had been buying the dip recently. So despite this being a major warning for BTC holders, there is a silver lining as well since Powell is seeing Bitcoin rally up in the long term. And now let's talk about some altcoins. To start with, we are now seeing that crypto hedge fund veteran Zhu Su has stated that the altcoins market will rebound in a big way despite a recent downtrend in prices. He said that it is just hard to be too bearish when Bitcoin and Ethereum supply on exchanges are going to fresh lows. Solana, Terra Luna, and Avalanche are showing majestic strength, and the largest asset allocators in the world are aligned with the crypto thesis. He believes that the recent shakeouts were a necessary part of the process to bring about the crypto market's next supercycle. Zhu also highlighted an S&P 500 chart that is overlaid with Bitcoin and Ethereum, showing how downward price action was consistent across multiple markets. He believes that the crypto market has used macro as an excuse to sell off when it has actually done so for mostly unrelated reasons like overvalued altcoins, year-end redemption flows, tax selling, all of which are transitory. And now coming to Cardano, we are seeing that Charles Hoskinson believes that the fundamentals of Cardano have remained strong despite its declining price. He stated that the good thing for Cardano is that every metric over the last 24 months has been absolutely exceptional, from the amount of Cardano staked, from the number of active users to the catalyst participation, from the social signals to the actual transaction volume on Cardano, and from the growth of use and utility of Cardano to venture capital investment. Every metric one can measure has improved. And another altcoin that has impressed me a lot is Avalanche. This is because it opened the year around $3 and hit an all-time high of $147 on November 21st, representing an increase of more than 4,000%. Even after the recent retracement, Avalanche has climbed the rankings and is now the 9th largest crypto in terms of market cap, with a market valuation of about $28 billion. The reason behind Avalanche's massive success is that it aims to be a faster and cheaper alternative to leading smart contracts platform Ethereum. So I think investors must keep a close eye on Avalanche, and this is one of those cryptos that can help them diversify their portfolios. And now coming to Dogecoin's price analysis, we are now seeing that it has been consolidating around this region because it is unlikely that it will go below 15 cents from here. However, this doesn't mean that Doge will surge right away. I think that it will continue consolidating around this price range for some months. And it is highly likely that a bullish breakout for Doge is going to happen sometime in March and April of 2022. And I think this bull run will take Doge to new highs, especially considering how Elon Musk has been consistently endorsing it.